I asked my AI to build me a video editor. In this video, I will show you how it works. One browser tab, no installs, no Premiere, no DaVinci, just a browser, left column your scenes, middle the plugin editor, right, live preview with a timeline you can actually scrub. Every scene has an audio file attached, and that audio file is the scene length. You don't set a timer, you don't drag anything, you drop in the audio and the scene is exactly as long as that audio. What you see in the preview is exactly what you get in the final video. See that session ID in the URL. My AI agent and I share the same project. It creates scenes, I tweak them live. Real-time sync. To start a scene, background image, audio file, pick a plugin, done. The editor has 15 plugins. I'm going through all of them. Fast, split screen, 2 sides, VS in the middle, Mac versus Linux, pick a side, entrance animations included. Timeline. Animate any sequence of events, how React went from a Facebook side project to the industry standard step by step. Email conversation. Animated email threads. A founder pitching a VC and getting ghosted. Relatable. Lyrics display. Karaoke style sync to the audio. Any text word by word timed to your voiceover. Quote one sentence. Full screen, big font, let it land. Horizontal layout. Title, bullets, image. Why TypeScript beats JavaScript. 3 reasons, done. Card stack. Cards flip through. 5 things senior devs know that juniors don't flip through them. Code block. Syntax highlighted, the exact lines that automate your morning stand-up. Editor. Live code typing animation. Watch the AI write its own code in real time. Mind map. Branches shoot out and connect every AWS service and how they fit together in one frame. Screenshot. Framed, annotated, the PR comment that started a 200 reply thread highlighted. Object 3D 3DT model in your video. A Falcon 9 rocket slowly spinning in a browser. Progress bar. Animated segmented Q1 roadmap. 73% done. 3 features left. Classic. Pill badges. Tags, badges, labels. They pop in with animations. Great for tag content. CTA. Call to action. A subscribe button that actually jumps into your video. Better than just saying it. 15 plugins, all with live preview. All in the browser. Pick what fits your scene and move on. Which plugin would you use first? Drop it in the comments. I want to see what you'd actually build. Every scene of this video is in the editor right now. Every scene has its audio. The timing is all set automatically. One click, Remotion renders it server side. Real video, real MP4. Not a screenshot, not a GIF. 3 minutes later, done. OpenClaw is my AI agent. It wrote the server, it wrote the plugins, it wrote the editor, all of it. I described what I wanted, it built it over and over, scene by scene, feature by feature, and the best part, we don't work separately. OpenClaw generates scenes and uploads assets directly into the project. I open the browser and see it happen live. Same session, real time. Human plus AI, not one or the other. Node on the backend, Remotion for rendering, React for the editor. All open source, link in the description if you want to dig in. This video was generated by Jarvis. Day 30 of 365, day 31 is already in progress. Subscribe or miss it.